I'm going to show you how to play 2 ukulele songs that only need 2 chords. I've got a culture, I feel it's on its way. Hi there, my name's James and thanks for checking out my channel. As well as ukulele tutorials, I create parody songs about parenting, marriage and mental health. Playing the ukulele has really helped me with my mental health struggles, and I'm trying to help other people who might be in a similar position. So the first song we're going to play is Horse with No Name by America. And the first chord you're going to need is an E major 7. Now we're also going to play a bar chord, and that's called D6. And you play it by putting your finger across all 4 strings between the 2nd and 3rd fret. And the strumming technique I do for this is down, down, up, down, up, down. It's basically that all the way through. I'm on a horse in the desert and I don't know its name. This song is a little insane. When you're in the desert and you don't know your name, it doesn't really matter if you're on a horse or not. I'd be more concerned about being in a desert and if you've got an adequate supply of water. The second song I'm going to show you is the Billy Ray Cyrus classic Achy, Breaky Heart. Not eggy bread. And the 2 chords you're going to need are an A and an E7. Don't break my heart, my achy, breaky heart. I just don't think you'd understand. Na 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 na. You don't need a mullet to play this song. Don't break my heart, my achy, breaky heart. I just don't think you'd understand. And if you break this heart, this achy, breaky heart, you might go up and kill this man. I'm pretty sure those are the lyrics. But if it gets you playing the ukulele, then my job is done. And even better, if it makes you feel slightly better about your life, that's a good thing. My selfish raison d'etre with this YouTube channel is to improve my mental health. If I can help others who are struggling, well, that is just a double bonus. I found that there's definitely a correlation between playing the ukulele every day, even if it's for 10 minutes in my shed, making up ridiculous songs that amuse myself, and my mental health feeling a little bit more robust. I struggle with OCD and often get plagued with intrusive thoughts, and I find that spending a bit of time learning a song or parodying a song or making up stupid lyrics gives my brain something a bit more positive and productive to do. If, like me, you struggle with your mental health, I really hope you're okay. And if you'd like to learn some other songs, please click this link here. I hope wherever you are in the world, you're okay.